In this video, let's learn how to solve this equation. So we have root 2 plus root t is equal to 2. And here, we have to solve for the value of t that will satisfy this given equation. Now to solve this solution, so we have root 2 plus root t is equal to 2. So the first thing we're going to do, since we have a square root right here, we're going to square the both sides of the equation. And this will become, in brackets, root 2 plus root t all squared is equal to 2 squared. And looking at this is in the form of a plus b all squared. And if you have a plus b all squared, this is equal to a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. And in this case, the value of a is root 2, while the value of b is root t. So expanding this in this format, this will then become a is root 2, so in brackets root 2 all squared plus 2 times a is root 2 times root 2 times b is root t plus b squared, b is root t, so root t all squared is then equal to 2 squared. And from here, square will cancel out square root. We have 2 plus 2. Root 2 times root t is root 2t plus square cancel square root. We have t is then equal to 2 squared is 4. So with this, the next thing we're going to do is we're going to move plus t over to this side of the equation and also move plus 2 also over to this side of the equation, such that we have it to be equal to what is left here is 2 root 2t. So 2 root 2t is equal to, we have 4 here. Then if plus 2 crosses the equality sign, it becomes minus 2. And also if plus t crosses the equality sign, it becomes minus t. And with this, we have it to be equal to 2 root 2t is equal to 4 minus 2 is 2, then minus t. At this junction, divide both sides by 2 over 2. 2 divide 2, we have root 2t is equal to 2 minus t over 2. And from here, to simplify this further, since we have a square root right here, we're going to eliminate the square root, and to do so, we're going to square the both sides of the equation. So, in brackets, root 2t all squared is equal to 2 minus t over 2 all squared. Square cancel square root, we have 2t is equal to 2 minus t over 2 all squared is 2 minus t over 2 multiplied by 2 minus t over 2. Okay, such that this is then equal to 2t is equal to 2 times 2, 4, 2 times minus t minus 2t minus t times 2 minus 2t minus t times minus t plus t squared all over 2 times 2 is 4. And with this, we can write 2t as over 1, such that we can then cross multiply. 4 times 2t is 8t is equal to 1 times this is 4 minus 2t minus 2t plus t squared. And with this, to then simplify this further, 8t is equal to 4 minus 2t minus 2t is minus 4t, then plus t squared. At this junction, we are then going to move 8t over to this side, such that here then becomes 0 is equal to, we have 4, then minus 4t, then if plus 8t crosses over, it becomes minus 8t, then plus t squared. And with this, 0 is equal to 4, minus 4t minus 8t is equal to minus 12t, then plus t squared. So rearranging this, we have it as t squared minus 12t, then plus 4 is equal to 0. And with this, we have a quadratic equation. So to solve for the value of t, we're going to make use of the quadratic formula. So with respect to t, the formula is t is equal to minus b plus or minus square root b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. And in this case, the value of a in this equation is the coefficient of t squared, which is 1. So 1. The value of b is the coefficient of t, which is minus 12. While the value of c is the constant, which is plus 4. So from here, to then solve for the value of t is then equal to minus b is minus 12. So minus 12 plus or minus square root b squared becomes in bracket minus 12 all squared minus 4 times a is 1, then times c is 4, then all over 2 times a is 1. And with this, the value of t is equal to minus times minus 12 is plus 12 plus or minus square root of minus 12 squared is equal to 144, then minus 4 times 1 times 4 is equal to 16 all over 2 times 1 is 2. The value of t is then equal to 12 plus or minus square root of 144 minus 16 is equal to 128, then all over 2. From here, the value of t is equal to 12 plus or minus, we can write root 128 as root 64 times 2, then over 2. Shows that value of t is equal to, we have 12 plus or minus, this can be written as root 64 times root 2, then all over 2. And from here, t is equal to 12 plus or minus root 64 is 8, then times root 2, then all over 2. To then simplify this, we have it that 2 we divide 12, so t is equal to 6, then plus or minus 2 we also divide 8, that is 4, then times root 2. So from here, the first value of t is equal to 6 plus 4 root 2, and then the second value of t is equal to 6 minus 4 root 2. So we've gotten the solutions for the value of t1 and t2. So with this, let us then confirm. Let's check if the solutions will truly satisfy the given equation. So let us check. Let's check. The question is root 2 plus root t is equal to 2. So for the first value of t, which is t1 is equal to 6 plus 4 root 2. Inputting the value of t into this, so root 2 plus root t becomes 6 plus 4 root 2, so 6 plus 4 root 2, then with this equal to question mark. Now looking at this, root 2 will give us a value greater than 1, then plus, if you multiply the value of root 2 greater than 1 with times 4, you will get a value greater than 5. And then if you add it with 6 and then square root the answer, you will get the value to be greater than 3. And if you add up a number greater than 1 plus a number greater than 3, you will not get a value that will be equal to 2. Okay, so that means that the value of t1 does not satisfy the given equation. So the next one is to confirm for the value of t2, which is 6 minus 4 root 2. So t2 is equal to 6 minus 4 root 2. Inputting this into the question, which is root 2, then plus root t, then becomes 6 minus 4 root 2, with this equal to question mark. Now looking at this from here, root 2 will give us a number greater than 1, then plus root 2 will give us a number greater than 1, right? Then if you multiply with 4, you will get a number that will be greater than 5. And if you subtract 6 minus 5 and then square root the answer, you will get a value less than 1. Now let's say for instance, we have a number greater than 1. Let's say 1 point something, then plus a number less than 1, let's say 0 point something. If you sum up these numbers, you will get a value that will be approximately 2 if you use your calculator. So with this, that means that the value of T2, which is 6 minus 4 root 2, correctly satisfies the given equation. So with this, ladies and gentlemen, we've come to the end of this video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to this channel. Thank you very much. See you in the next video. Bye.